Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear learners. I am your facilitator with digital schooling. Now, today we will start our new topic, HuroofeLeen. Okay, there are two HuroofeLeen in Arabic grammar. Now, first we will start and then you will repeat. When Waw jazm or Waw silent comes after zabar is called vowel, and ya like that when ya silent or ya jazm comes after zabar is called yali. Okay, this is Ahsanulqawaed, and we can see this in Nooraniqaeda. Also, we can see this in Nooraniqaeda. HuroofeLeen. Uh, Now, first, we will read for you, and after me, you will repeat it again. Okay? Hamza waw zabar, aw, ba waw zabar, baw, ta waw zabar, taw, sa waw zabar, saw, ha waw zabar, how, ha waw zabar, how. Like that. And we can see here Noorani Qaeda. And here are both uh, ba waw zabar, bow, like that. Ba waw zabar, bow. HuroofeLeen. This is HuroofeLeen. Ta waw zabar, taw. Sa waw zabar, saw. Dal waw zabar, daw. Dal ya zabar, day. Taw, tay, saw, say, daw, day, zaw, zay. Raw, ray, zaw, zay, saw, say, shaw, shay, saw, say, daw, day. Okay, and uh, here we will uh, practice of one lean, vowel, and here both we can practice both of them. Okay, wow and yeah. Okay, now this is your lesson, and now your homework is to repeat again and again to keep in your mind. Okay, this is the end of lesson. We end this lesson with dua. سبحان ربك رب العزة أما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. If you get any useful point with this lesson, kindly like, share, and subscribe this my channel. And if you need a live teacher, please contact in comment box. And uh, if you share the following answer, the following answers of the following questions, it will be very hopeful to you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.